If you're struggling to make money with affiliate marketing, stop what you're doing and watch this. You've never seen anything like this before to make huge profits as an affiliate marketer. Hi, it's Robin Etchard from Design for Profit. Today, I'm going to show you a business model that has made our students over $64 million in the last 5 years with affiliate marketing, using a mind-blowing strategy. 90% of the work is done for you by AI robots. Some of the greatest minds in the affiliate marketing industry have pioneered a new method that has made 15 beta testers over $2 million in under 3 months with zero experience. It's all thanks to a new type of AI-powered funnel that is driven by artificial intelligence. These funnels are fueled by an untapped traffic source so massive, you'll never possibly run out of customers. Let me show you how everyone who's trying this is getting amazing results, and why this is the most powerful affiliate marketing system on the planet right now. The bottom line is this: if you're interested in making money with affiliate marketing, this new AI technology is something you need to check out. With this never-before-seen method, you don't need any technical ability or experience. You don't need to be creative. You don't need your own product. You don't need to be an expert on anything. It doesn't matter if you're 18 or 80, this method is proven to work for anyone who follows the simple instructions. You don't need Facebook or Amazon ads. You don't need to do any SEO or worry about traffic. You don't even need a website. All you need is the desire to make money, and this new AI technology will do the rest for you. You don't need an online store. You don't need an email list or followers. You can set up an AI-powered funnel in under an hour. These funnels are fueled by an untapped traffic source so massive, you'll never possibly run out of customers. Plus, the traffic is automatically optimized, so you can scale up much faster than Facebook, without all the hassles. This is a perfect storm of 1. A completely new method. 2. An untapped new traffic source. 3. Automated optimization, so you can quickly scale up. And every aspect is 90% done for you by powerful, cutting-edge AI systems, so it couldn't be any easier. This is a massive blue ocean, untapped strategy unlike anything you've ever seen before. Click the link below to get access to this simple 3-step system and see how it works. You'll be amazed at how simple and genius this new method is. So if you're looking for a way to make massive amounts of money in the shortest time, this is the perfect opportunity. 95% of affiliate marketers will exhaust all their money buying plenty of tools and courses from fake gurus in the affiliate marketing industry, but with little results. Then they quit. That's why I'm so excited about this new AI affiliate marketing method that's taking the industry by storm. With this method, you can make money with affiliate marketing without all the hassle. This groundbreaking affiliate marketing strategy is perfect for you if you're a complete beginner looking for a hot new business model. You're an expert looking for an easier way to make passive profit. You're worried about a recession and want a business that thrives in tough economic times. You're always looking for hot new ways to fatten up your bank account. You want to discover new marketing tactics and strategies. You work in a job that steals the joy out of your life, and you want a new way to make a living that gives you more freedom and happiness. This is a proven, step-by-step system for making consistent passive income from affiliate marketing. This untapped traffic source is generating beta testers tens of thousands in profit every single day, and nothing like this has ever been shown before. This highly successful strategy leverages AI and creates a very straightforward path to success, even for beginners. Here is 5 reasons this affiliate marketing system is different. It is an untapped, blue ocean traffic source that's even bigger than Facebook. Until now, no one has ever revealed how to have massive success with affiliate marketing through YouTube. It uses cutting-edge, artificial intelligence software that drastically reduces the time required to achieve success and means students will never be on video or even use their own voice. Grab the free training link below and discover the 3-step system that made 15 newbie beta testers over $2 million in the last 90 days. And they started from zero. It is a very reliable source of profit. Look forward to consistent income like never before. When students get their winning funnel, there is no limit to how much they can scale in just a single account. $5,000, $10,000, $30,000, $60,000. The sky's the limit. The affiliate marketing underworld is a dark place. It's a world of big guns and even bigger profits. And they don't want anyone to know about this money-making system. If word got out, it would bite right into their profits. So they do everything they can to keep it a secret. Our group of affiliates already using this method are hauling in massive profits. It is a proven, repeatable system with winning templates to start having success from day one. Videos, landing pages, offers, ad scripts, everything. Ryan is making over $1,000 per day with this new affiliate method, and he's getting paid 3 times a week.
Hi, Mark. Thanks for having me. Yeah, it's been a crazy year and a half for everybody, but oddly enough, there's been, I think, some opportunities and just some innovations that have happened during that time. And yeah, when I heard about what Keegan had kind of put together, it was really interesting to me, and I didn't know anybody else that was doing affiliate marketing and doing a similar strategy on a new platform like he was. And it was really interesting to me because I've done some stuff in the past with varying degrees of success, but you know, hadn't quite broken through to those levels that I've seen people do in this type of business. And so I wanted to, you know, get in there and give it a try. I sought out some other help and some other training prior to that, and I learned some stuff, but it still wasn't quite clicking. I wasn't quite breaking through to profit. And within a matter of weeks of getting connected with Keegan and his methods, I had my first $1,000 day, and then by the end of that weekend, I had my first $1,000 day. And within the first month, I had 6, 7, 8, and even my first $10,000 days. And yeah, as you said, the first 30 days from breakthrough to the next remaining, you know, 30 days from then, it was about 123,000 of total revenue, and $67,000 of that was profit. So more than 100% ROI, and I was absolutely thrilled. I've never made that kind of money in online marketing ever with any of the other things I've ever done.
Gina makes a full-time living as an affiliate. Her best day recently was $1,555. She has been in the affiliate marketing industry for 7 years and has finally found a way to make serious money using AI software.
People who really want to be able to make an income online through the internet, you know, is it that difficult? So no. And remember, I am the person who, I don't come to this with all the degrees in science, you know, or knowing how to code or whatever one might think, but I just wanted to be able to have a sustainable income. And so the things that I learned, that really is just my evolution to get to where I am today. When people listen to you and I talking today, they're going to have an evolution to get to where they are today. But it doesn't mean that where they are today, they have to have this great, you know, story behind it of 7 years. And I don't want to make it seem that way.
Gabe is making over 5 figures per week as an affiliate, with a best day of $15,178. Gabe has gone through challenging times over the years. Let's find out what helped him to achieve his breakthrough success.
The algorithm, the AI of the particular platform, and since we're talking about YouTube, but Facebook's the same and the others are the same. The algorithm is very smart. It knows the type of individuals that it needs to optimize for. And so the more sales you make, the more it knows who the right avatar or the right individual that it needs to show your ad to. And so it really does. It's really interesting. You do a little bit of testing at the beginning. You look at your data, then you attack your data and you say, show it to more people like that. And once that's the case, it's like putting gasoline on a fire. You literally just put more on and the flame gets really big, really fast. It's really simple.
For those who are just getting started in affiliate marketing, or for those who are looking for a fresh and exciting opportunity in 2022, this wide open blue ocean business model is the perfect solution. With no need for Facebook or Instagram and no email list required, this is one of the simplest affiliate marketing models around. Yet it is still incredibly powerful and profitable. Location independence and the ability to set your own hours are just some of the great benefits of this business model. And with almost zero overhead expenses, this is an opportunity not to be missed. So if you're looking for a way to get in on the ground floor of something big, affiliate marketing with this wide open blue ocean business model is the perfect place to start. Get access to this massive money-making system today. Remember, this is available for a limited time only. So act now and click the link in the description below.